Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to transfer money to Venmo from bank account. It's very easy to do. First, link your bank account to Venmo. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Then tap the three dot icon in the top left corner. Then tap on settings, tap on payment methods and add a bank or card. Select bank and enter your bank details. Confirm your bank account is successfully linked. Once your bank is linked, you can add money to your Venmo balance. Open Venmo and go to the three-dot menu. Select Manage Balance or Balance from the options. Tap Add Funds. Choose the amount you want to add from your linked bank account. Select your linked bank account as the source of funds. Tap Next to confirm and complete the transfer. That's it. That's how you can transfer money to your Venmo account from your bank account.